guys, so I just want to get some general tidying done around the house today. Just a few things to settle in for the night. I was gardening today and I'm a little bit tired from that, so I might just sit down on the couch and watch some YouTube. So I'm going to get some stuff cleaned up and you guys can join me. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe down below if you're new here and you haven't already, and come clean with me. So I'm starting up in the bedroom, just grabbing any garbage and recycling anything else that needs to go downstairs. I'll also be grabbing the trash can from the bathroom. As I watch this video back, it's amazing to see all the light coming in the window because it's 8 p.m. at night. As you watch this video, you may notice some other messes that are around me that I don't clean up. I'm not planning on doing a full clean in this video. I'm just doing a quick tidy up because it's 8 p.m. at night and I'm tired and I had been gardening and I just wanted to relax. So those things I'll probably get to either tomorrow or the next day. I'm not really hard pressed about them right now. This is just about getting done what we can with the energy that we have. The song you're listening to in the background is called Her Loving Touch, which I created with the help of some music tools. I hope you enjoy it. Sunlight spills on a tangled chair. She folds warm blankets like a quiet prayer. Dust motes drift in a golden stream as she wipes the surface. She's polishing dreams. A tabby tail. I know I said it was more around 8 p.m. when I started cleaning, but I think it's actually 7:40-ish because I remember looking at the clock because Misty's waiting around. And she starts waiting around when she wants to be fed, and they don't get fed till after 8. And I remember saying that to her because, you know, I talk to my cats like they're little humans. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to clear that up. It's more like 7:40-ish. And my son had just recently left, and yeah, I wanted to get all this tidying up done. Okay, I'm just interrupting my thought here right now because something funny happens with my son's peach juice from his lunchbox. It had leaked in his lunch bag and I had to cut it with the knife to try to empty it in the sink. And watch what happens when I go to squeeze it out. I gotta admit, it was pretty freaking funny. And I was talking about it, but I had the TV on in the background so you couldn't really hear me, so I'm just doing this as a voiceover. I smell like a peach now, you guys. I'm a real peach. Oh my gosh. Okay, back to my earlier thought. I did leave a few things on the table in the living room and on the floor, I think, under the table, because my son and I are working on a physics project that he's having a lot of difficulties with. So I am helping him with that. He has to make this thing called a mousetrap racer. So basically we have to use a mousetrap and cardboard and CDs and try to make this race car type thing. And it hasn't been fun. So I'm leaving this stuff out. It'd be nice if I had a container to corral it all. I might find something later, but right now I don't. She lights a candle in the afternoon, soft as a wish, bright as a new moon. Every room she gently mends becomes a home that holds her like a friend. Every quiet rhythm, every steady chore reminds her who she's doing. Some of my subscribers already know about this, but in case you don't, I do have another channel where you can get to know me better. It's called A Narrated Life Observed. If you go to the channel description, the link is in there. It's just a channel where you can get to know me on a more personal level. It's about my experiences being an introvert and having really bad social anxiety and related topics. And I also share some life stories there. So I'd really love it if you guys joined me over there and subscribed so you can get updates when I post there as well. Coffee cup cooling by her hand, soft fur brushing where
Woman, I love that you are cleaning the castle, but I am waiting patiently here for my mush.
She'll move through every moment with a loving touch. With a loving touch. With a loving touch. So my son has started riding his bike again. He hadn't
rode the bike for a while. So the brakes weren't working properly. So I told his father that I would like him to take a look at it when he comes to pick him up. Anyway, today when he picked him up, he ended up taking the whole bike, which I was surprised about because he only has a car with him. So I was surprised he was able to fit that in there, but his trunk was pretty empty. And I just brought out some tools so he could remove the front tire, and it went in nice and smooth. So hopefully they get that fixed this weekend. I'm hoping hopefully he has my son outside with him and shows him, which he probably will. They'll probably show him how it's done. So if it needs work, my son can try to fix it himself in the future if that happens again, because we couldn't figure out how to get it working. The brake's rubbing on the rim of the tire, so I had to lower the brake pad, but that ended up making it's not gripping at all, basically, is what I'm trying to say, right? So the back and front aren't gripping, and that one was rubbing, so somehow it got moved over. So hopefully they can get that fixed, and he can get his bike back, and when he's home here, he can ride his bike around town, because he's been finding that fun lately, and that's good exercise and good for him to get out and off the tablet, computer, video games, whatever he's doing. I hope this video has been providing you with some good cleaning motivation, or even just keeping you company. Don't you just love it when you think you're almost done and then you find a few more things in that area that have to be done? And also on this night, I'm so glad that I did end up cleaning, because I keep stepping on things in the kitchen. You may notice that I keep moving my feet weird. It must be, I don't know what it is. It's probably stuff Misty's thrown around, or it's crumbs from the cat food. But it was really annoying, so it was nice to wake up the next day to a clean kitchen and a swept kitchen, because I usually am somebody who cleans in the day, not the night. So I have to start doing this more often. You guys, I don't know what's wrong with Misty, but I really feel like she eats too much. She had come in this kitchen so many times and ate crunchies, and she's well fed. You can tell she's overweight, and she drives me crazy all day for wet food. So I don't know why she's like this. The other cats are not like this, and it would be a nightmare to try to limit how often I feed her, so I don't really know what to do, but she just kept eating and eating and eating while she was waiting for wet food. I don't even know what it is. I just don't understand why she's like that. Don't shake the camera. Once I get this done and the living room done, they'll be able to feed you. The floor should be dry by then.
What do you expect? All this work just makes me so hungry. Yeah, I'm out of here. But I'll be back. I'll be back for that mush, one way or another. No, I was not just eating again.
You see, you just ate 3 or 4 times out of the same bowls. Like, seriously. You're not hungry like that.
The castle is finally clean. Goodbye, humans.
Okay, friends, that's all I'm doing for today. I just wanted to get the living room and everything tidied up because my son's gone, like I said. I'm all hot and sweaty now. I usually do not clean at night. I'm the type of person where past a certain time, like maybe 5 p.m., I start shutting down and I have to wind down, so. And it's 8:15 here, so. Anyway, I'm going to get settled in for the evening, put on some YouTube, and I hope this gave you guys some cleaning motivation. Like the video if it helped you at all. Subscribe if you want to see more content like this. That is free below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!